Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to remove an Audi A4 door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a plastic trim removal kit and a Torx T25 screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the small decorative trim piece situated behind the interior door handle. Once this trim is removed, you will expose two Torx screws. Carefully unscrew these to prepare for the next steps in the process. This initial stage is crucial for a smooth removal. Next, focus on the door handle and window switch. Use your trim tool to carefully pry up the entire window switch panel. Once it's loose, disconnect the electrical connector attached to the back of the switch. This prevents any damage to the wiring. Then, locate and remove the single screw that secures the door handle trim. Taking your time with these connections ensures no components are broken during the process. Now, let's get the panel completely free. Look for any additional screws along the bottom edge and sides of the door panel. These often vary slightly by model. Once all screws are out, use your plastic trim tool to carefully work your way around the entire perimeter of the door panel, releasing the plastic clips that hold it in place. Finally, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to unhook it from the top edge of the door frame. With the panel loose, you'll need to disconnect the remaining electrical connectors for components like the speaker and door light. Also, carefully detach the door release cable from the handle mechanism. Once all connections are free, you can safely remove the entire door panel and place it somewhere secure to avoid damage. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.